Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time to come back to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. By the way, if it's your first time to come to this channel, yes, in today's video I want to talk about what you call the runaway cases and how can you appeal and win a case against the runaway in case you have your employer that reported or filed a case against you. Yes, if it's your first time, again, if it's your first time to come across this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and don't hesitate to support. Yes, most of the times we've had runaway cases. Yes, you might be one of them that has that case there, that you have that case there. Yes, what I would want to advise you, the best thing to do, the moment you get a runaway case on your message, that is the phone that has to be linked with your QID, the moment you get a runaway message, a case or anything that is being reported to you in CID, please go immediately, go follow up. You go to CID. After going to CID, you'll follow up. You'll find out whether you have a case. In case you cannot go to CID first, I know most of you are scared, thinking that whenever I have to go to CID, they are going to arrest me, they are going to deport me, which is not the case. Yes, most of these government government services, we go to access them either to find out what is happening, to find out what are the procedures, and that's the only thing. They will not arrest you unless you have a case. Yes, once you get a case, you can check against your QID in Mexcreationtv. That is why I keep on telling people the very important app that you can never miss on your phone is what you call the Mexcreationtv app. So once you check on the Mexcreationtv app whether you have the case, you just go direct to the CID. When you go to the CID, they will give you a form to fill. Once you give a form to fill, that is what you call an appeal form. Once they give you their form to fill, you will fill up the form. Yes, they will refer you, they will open up a case for you. Then you'll have to wait until when they will be calling you to court. They will send you another message that will be calling you to court. Yes, this is where another situation or another problem comes in, that some of us will be a little bit impatient. Yes, when you look at some of these government services, you will not file up here, you will not file up a case tomorrow and they'll have to work on you. There's a lot of other people that have similar cases in that regard. So you have to be a little bit very patient. That is what I would advise you. It doesn't matter how long it's going to take, but you have to be a little bit very patient in that regard. So after filing up, they will give you the number of days, or they will give you when you're supposed to get the second message, until you get that message that will take you to court to face what's called the judge. Remember, on that day when they call you to court, they will also call your sponsor. Don't be intimidated by your sponsor. Yes, your sponsor is in court, you are also in court. Yes, what is so good around here with the court itself, I've got so many times, at least I've got my 3 times to be there in court, and people have won for that regard. So what you need to do is being courageous and being confident of yourself. When you call to court, any mistake you make to court, or any mistake or any information that you give out that is contrary to what the employer is saying, the employer may win or you may win. But in this case, we are looking at a situation, how do you win the case? How do you go to the court in front of the judge and you are going to win the case? Not to lose the case, but we are looking at winning the cause. Go with the confidence. Be strong. Go in front of the judge. Go with a photocopy of your passport. Go with the original passport. Go with the photocopy of your QID. Go with the original QID. Because those are the first items the judge is going to ask for. When you go there, they'll begin reading your names one by one. Because already they have the details. They'll begin reading one by one. When you go, you present your photocopy passport, you present your original, you present your QID and the original QID. Then the judge will say, what is the problem? They will tell you to explain, to attach, to verify that it is true, that they were being submitted, and it's you're true, the owner of the holder of those. So probably that's the best option, or that's the best way that I'll give you if you want to win a case against your employer, in case you are truly right that what was reported was against your will and you had a way to defend yourself. That's the only way. But before you go to court, make sure you prepare yourself, go in time. Normally the court opens in the morning from 8 until 1:30. So make sure don't go late. Make sure come early or go early to the court. Go by 7:30, should be there, such that you can get the first token number to go inside. That is what you should. Before you wake up or before, you need to prepare yourself. Your evidence must be something that's going to back up whatever you are going to say. Hope I've tried to share something for you. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel, and thank you so much for supporting. Remember, it's always makes giving you all this important information. Thank you so much. See you again in yet another video on how I'll just let you to share out with some of my life experiences and also some of the way how to deal with the laws.